We had several people email us to ask us to make this person our paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week. It's Richard Shute. Now, Richard Shute is a longtime drag racing photographer since the early 1970s. NHRA fans have seen the sport through Richard's eyes and through his lens. His company, Auto Imagery, has captured over 1 million images. Amazing. Over the course of his career, Richard Shute took some iconic shots, and he also made countless friends in the pits and in the media. In recent years, Richard has donated his time and the use of his photos to the International Drag Racing Hall of Fame. The Hall of Fame uses those photos during their annual induction ceremony and the telecasts that go along with it. Richard claims to be semi-retired, but he's still out there snapping photos, and in his spare time, he finally decided to try his hand behind the wheel, 213 miles an hour in a dragster at the Frank Hawley Drag Racing School. Way to go, Richard. Thanks to Richard Shute and to Auto Imagery for helping bring amazing drag racing photos to fans worldwide and for making a great sport even better. And thanks to those of you who wrote to us at motorheadgarage.tv to tell us why Richard should be our paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week. Now it's your turn. Send us a note and tell us your story. We shall return next week with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. We hope to see you then.